Hello friends, welcome again. Today, 1 minute. Today we are going to lesson that means HCF and LCM, highest common factor and lowest common multiplier. This is very interesting lesson. This lesson is very large, so we make two parts of the lesson. In one part, somewhat information how to draw HCF and LCM, where that means in various methods, by factor methods, by this method, then division method, two three methods finding out the HCF and 2-3 methods for finding out the LCM, and one of the method finding out both HCF and LCM. Okay, then first of all, it is clear to you that means what is a prime number, means which numbers are said to be prime numbers. The number which divided by 1 and itself own, that means 2 is divided by 1 and 2, nothing more than 3 cannot divide 2, that means the number which is divisible by 1 and itself, that number is called as a prime numbers. Okay, then which are the prime numbers? Suppose I ask you, find out the prime numbers between 1 to 50 numbers. Which are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, then 7, then 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. These are prime numbers. You can take any number, that means the number is divisible by 1 and itself only. That means 2 divisible by 1 and 2 only. 3 divisible by 1 and 3 only. The number divisible by 5 divisible by 1 and 5 only. 7 divisible by 1 and 7 only. Like this, that means from 1 to 15 there are few numbers, that means 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 numbers are the prime numbers. Okay, that means are you clear the concept of the prime number? Number divisible by 1 and itself only, those numbers are called as a prime numbers. Okay, then coprime numbers, the number which do not have any common divisor other than 1, the called as coprime numbers or relatively prime numbers or mutually prime numbers. Numbers 25, 29, 31, 37, only one, more than, that means number which do not have any common any common divisor other than 1, that is called as a coprime numbers. Okay, or mutually prime numbers or relatively prime numbers, that means 31, 37, these are coprime numbers. Two consecutive natural numbers are always coprime. Two mutually consecutive numbers, two consecutive natural numbers are said to be coprime numbers. 20, 21, 61, 62, 67, 68, these are called as the two prime numbers. These are called as a coprime numbers. Then twin prime number, the concept is that twin prime numbers, if the difference between two prime number is 2, then two prime numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. There are 8 pairs of twin prime numbers from 8 to 1 to 100. What I say, twin prime numbers, the difference between two prime numbers is 2, then this pair is said to be twin prime numbers. 3 and 5, what is the difference? Difference is 2, so 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. Okay, 5 and 7, difference is 2, so 5 and 7 are twin prime numbers. 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, then 15, 43, 15, 41, 43, 59, 61, 71, 73, these are twin prime numbers. Okay, that means From these information we get information. Which information we get? What is the prime number? Then prime numbers between 1 to 15. Which are prime numbers between 1 to 15? And what is the co-prime numbers and what is the twin prime numbers? Okay. Number one is a neither prime number nor composite number. Always remember that. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. 2 is smallest prime number. 2 is smallest prime numbers. Okay. From these you are asking questions that which are the following pairs of coprimes, which numbers are coprimes, then prime numbers between 25 to 100, coprime, find the twin prime numbers between 50 to 100, find the 5 pairs of coprime which are even prime numbers. These types of question asked to you regarding with this information which told by me now. Okay, now then next part of this lesson, that is a composite numbers. Number other than 1 which are not prime numbers are composite numbers. You cannot understand what is a composite number. Number other than 1 which are not prime numbers means those numbers which are not prime numbers called as a composite numbers. Means they are divisible by or divided by those numbers are more than 2 divisors. That means 4 is divisible by 1, divisible by 2, divisible by 4, means 3 divisors. Those numbers have not prime called as a composite numbers. Only one, number 1 is nor composite nor prime number. So composite numbers means the numbers other than 1. What I say? Listen carefully. The number other than 1 which are not prime numbers called as a composite numbers. Okay. Then includes rule. Which is includes rule? Any composite number can be written as a product of a prime number. That is the includes rule. Okay. Suppose we write the number 36 in the form of product form of its prime factor. There are 2 methods. That means one vertical method and another is horizontal method. That means examples. What it means? Any composite number can be written in the product of prime numbers. Product of prime numbers is called as a includes rule. Okay. Are you clear which points I told you? That means prime number, co-prime number, twin prime number, some question regarding with the prime number, co-prime numbers and twin prime numbers. Then composite numbers. Which is composite numbers? Those which are not prime called as a composite, except than 1, other than 1. That is a composite numbers. Okay. And includes rule means the numbers, composite numbers are written in the product form, written as a product of a prime number. Product of prime number called as a includes rules. Okay. We are now look at the board, and first we say find the prime factors of the following numbers. That means we are finding the factors of the numbers. Okay. Let's see on the board. Then look at the prime factors. First example, that means a 32. Find out the prime factor of this number. Okay. There are 2 methods, vertical method or horizontal method. Okay. 32. Here first of all vertical method. Okay. Which is vertical method? Like this, similarly. 32. 16 2s are 32. That means 18 6s are 32. That means 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1. The 1 2s are 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. That is a vertical method. That means 5 times 2. 32 is equal to 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Then now horizontal method. Okay, now 32 is equal to 16 twos are 32. 16 factors 8 twos are 8 factor 2, 4 twos are 8, 2s are 16, 4 factor 2, 2s are 4. Okay, that means 8 making here 8's factor and 4's factor, and remaining is same. That means 5 times come here, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is method. Here we make factors of 16s. Factor of 16. Here factors of 8. Factors of 4. Okay, like this. Are you understand? So I mark here. Here we make factors of 16, factors of 8, factors of 4 and final. That means 32 is equal to 2. This is a prime factor method. One vertical method and one another horizontal method. Okay. We take another example. 150.
At
So 50. 150. 150. 75. 2 are 150. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 5 are 25, 25 is 75, so we equal to the 150. Therefore, factors of 150s are 2, 3, 5, 5. Okay, by horizontal method, that means 150 is equal to 2 into 75. That means here we make factors of a 75. Okay, 2 into 3 into 25. Okay, here we make factor of 25. 5 5s. Okay, similar way, horizontal way and vertical way. Sorry, this is a vertical way and this is a horizontal way. We can find out the factors, that is a prime factors. Okay, are you understand how to draw a prime factors of the numbers? Okay, good. Okay, then we go next point, that is finding the HCF, actual part of this lesson. That means HCF. Before that, it is necessary for you finding the prime factor. We just make a revision. Okay, that means what is HCF of 48, 28 and 42? HCF. Finding out HCF of 28 and 42. Okay, we are writing down factors. That means 1 is the factor of 22, 2 is also divisible by 2, in table of 4, in table of 7, 7 4s are 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28, then 14 and then 28. Okay, also factors of 42, 1, 2, okay, 3, then 6 7s are 7 6s are, then 14 3s are, 21 2s are and 42. These are factors, okay, of 28 and 42. Okay, which are common? 1 1 is common, 2 2 is common, then 17 40 sorry 7 7 is common and 14 14 common. Okay, the common factors of 28 and 42 are, which are 1 2 7 and 14. Therefore, HCF, highest common factor, HCF of 28 and 42 is equal to 14, which is highest 14. Understand, this is a general method. We can solve finding out the HCF. First of all, find out the factors, and then which is common factors and which is largest, that is a HCF, highest common factor of the numbers. Okay. Also, another example we take 51 and 27. Okay. In 51, 1, then 3, 17 and 51. 17 3s are 51. 27, 1, 3, 3, 17, 9 3s are 17. 27 and 27. Okay. Here, which is common? 1 is common, 3 is common. Nothing more than common. Therefore, highest common factor. Therefore, HCF is equal to 3. For that purpose, tables are essential. You must know the tables. Without tables, you cannot solve HCF, LCM problems. For that, tables are very essential. Understands? Okay. Now we see the one of two methods for finding out HCF.
Start.
Now we are taking first method, that is the prime factor method, to find out HCF. Find HCF of 12 and 13 by prime factor method. Before few minutes ago we find out the prime factor method, vertical method and horizontal method. Similar way we are do here prime factors of 12 by vertical methods. Okay, that is a 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. Okay, then factors, 12's factors are 2, 2 and 3. Okay, is it clear to you? Also 30, prime factors of 30, 15 2s are 13, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. That means 5 3s are 15 2s are 13. 30's prime factors are 2, 3 and 5. Okay. Then we write down which are commons. 2 commons, 3 commons. Okay, here 2 and 3 are commons. Therefore, common factors of 2 are 2 and 3. Common factors are 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF of 12 and 13 is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Make multiplications. Okay. Finding out HCF by using prime factor methods. First of all, vertically you find out the factors, prime factors, write down the factors which are common, make a multiplication of those, and this is HCF. We take another examples, 12 and 24 or 12 or 36. Another examples, 12, you know, 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 1s are. Right, here the finish. That means 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Similar way, 36. That means 36 is equal to 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Okay, therefore which is common? 2 common, these two common, 3 commons. Therefore 2 into 2 into 3. Therefore 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 number is HCF of those numbers. Highest common factor of those, that is a 12. Here the examples, two examples I solved on the board. Prime factor method. Okay, are you clear? Understand? Okay, good. From these we can conclude that finding the HCF, first general methods, then prime factor methods, and then another method, least division method, means division method in the simplest form. This method we'll see in the next video. Okay, in this, that means in today till what we start from first to last man, that means the prime factor method, you can understand it very well. I think all of you understands all these points which are told by me today. Okay, if you have any query, you may call me, be frankly. Okay, we will be continue in the next video. Thank you.